Us. Welcome to your own channel Kidoctive Homeschooling. So in this video we are going to discuss fraction. Okay, so let's start the video. So this is an apple. This is an whole apple. You can see a whole apple. Okay, and the apple cut into two pieces. Yes or no? And here is one pizza, and the pizza is cut into three pieces, and this one is 1/3 of the pizza left. So in this video you are going to know how you can represent fraction. Okay, what is fraction? Fraction is a number describes a part of a whole. Here fraction is a number describes part of a whole. So if you consider this as a whole, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is 5 parts. Whole divided into 5 parts. So fraction, we have colored how many parts? 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So how we will represent the fraction? 3 divided by 5. Why? The whole is divided into how many parts? 5 parts. So 5 parts we are going to write it down. And how many colored parts are there? You can see there are 3 parts. So we have to write upper part. Okay. So 3 divided by 5. So we discussed division. Okay. Why? Because fraction is closely related to division. So 3 by 5. This symbol is called fraction bar, and the numerator, this one is a numerator. Numerator means number of parts we have, means colored part, and denominator means the total parts in a whole. This is the total part. This is the total part divided into how many parts? 5 parts. So we are going to write 5 under, and the color part we are going to write in the upper part. Okay, I hope you understood. Now we will discuss half, 1/3 and 1/4 of a fraction. So here you can see this is half. How? And the whole. This one is a whole apple. Okay. When the whole is divided into two equal parts. This one is two equal parts. Then each part is considered as half. Okay. So half of 2 makes a whole. Now you can see here this one is a whole pizza. So we are now talking regarding the 1/3. Okay. When the whole is divided into 1/3 means 3 equal parts. So whole pizza we divided into 3 equal parts. See, 3 equal parts. Then each part is considered as 1/3. Okay, so this is called 1/3. Now we will know the 1/4. If we consider it as a whole, then we divided it into 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 parts. So we are going to take the 1 part. Okay, because 1/4 means in numerator we are always going to write the colored part, and in denominator we are always going to write the divided equal number of divided part. Okay, so this one is 1/4. Now worksheet time. Tick the shapes where half is shaded. How we get the half? If the whole object is divided into two equal parts, then that we called as half. Here is half and here is another half. So half means divided by 2. That's why earlier I said fraction is closely related to division. So this one is half. So colored part. Half colored part. Half is not colored. So this one is half. Tick the shapes where half is shaded. This half is shaded. Now tick the shapes where 1/3 is shaded. 1/3 means divided by 3. So here 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts. So denominator it's written 3. And one part is shaded. So 1/3. Okay. Tick the shapes where 1/4 is shaded. 1/4 means divide by 4. So in this image you can see how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many parts? 8 parts. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 4 2s are 8. So 2 parts are shaded. So this one is the correct 1/4 of this shape. I hope you understood.